What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on MMTLP and FINRA saga.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up.
And for today's video I have several news that might be very important for the community. First of all, I will show you an update from Richard Hoffman regarding his arbitration. On top of that, I will show you how authorities in other countries work in order to protect retail investors in their countries, and I will show you what should the United States do in order to make the same actions. And at the end of this video, I will show you even more evidence that major hedge funds and banks are hiding something, and FINRA and SEC try to cover their backs. So, and before we dive deep into all of this, I kindly ask you to hit the like button for YouTube algorithm. This is the only way how we can push our case forward to the broader audience, and eventually it will help us to win this battle. So, and before we move to the news itself, I want to say happy Thanksgiving Day to all of you, my friends. And let's start with the news. Just yesterday I showed you this video that was published by Richard on his YouTube channel, Not Legal Advice, where he made a very good update regarding his arbitration. And I've told you that he called to action the MMTLP community, and let me show you his tweet that he published right after that. 18 hours ago he wrote, "Happy Thanksgiving. Anyone with juicy MMTLP evidence regarding fidelity, feel free to DM me for use in my arbitration." And Mike asked him, "What do you mean evidence?" And Richard responded, "Documents or could be personal testimony." And yes, Richard is collecting even more information regarding Fidelity case and regarding basically MMTLP case with Fidelity. And that is how he can make his case stronger, and potentially it will lead to more chances to win this battle. So just drop him a line if you have some information regarding this issue. And let's continue with all the news. I've told you yesterday basically that we had a very good support from Greg McCabe, and we have basically a news that he contacted to the top level of Congress and of the government. And here you can see some updates regarding this. Kanye East wrote this: highest level of Congress or highest level of government? That should be clarified since they are two different branches. Legislative versus executive, both powerful but would like clarification. Thanks. And the Meta News responded this: everything that was said was during the space call is following: highest level of Congress, highest level of Senate, highest person in the federal government, highest level of government. The person or persons nor the details behind the meeting have not been revealed, but I would expect we hear something from this soon. And in my opinion, yes, potentially all of the attendees who was on this meeting, they had something like NDA, no disclosure agreement. That is why they don't want, and they basically don't allow to disclose this information yet. But definitely something big is coming. On top of that, let me remind you that just a couple of weeks ago, Frank Ness wrote this tweet: something big is coming. And he added this picture. It is some kind of filming process, and we don't know any details regarding this. Potentially, we will have another so-called big thing regarding our case. And yes, we have to patiently wait, because we don't have any other chances to win this battle, rather than to push our case forward in different legal ways, like lawsuits, arbitrations, and call to actions through the Congress and some other things. So, and let me show you this news. Meta News wrote this 16 hours ago. Breaking: Thai stock exchange is currently investigating potential naked short selling. The team will comprise representatives from the Korea Exchange and Nasdaq Stock Exchange in the United States. And here you can see the screenshot of the news itself. Thai Stock Exchange investigates potential naked short selling offenses. And let me show you what did Meta News add to this. We need answers, MMTLP. And the Meta News refers to the tweet that was written by Whiskier 18 hours ago. And Whiskier wrote, apparently Nasdaq has a special team that knows how to track illegal short sales. Why are they not assisting MMTLP or MMAT? Sitting idly by, watching companies and households get disseminated by illegal activities on home US soil. It is mind-boggling. And yes, how it is even possible that Thailand is going after these wrongdoers and United States authorities did nothing and they are doing nothing in order to solve this issue. And let me show you that Mark Basil also wrote in his Twitter account this. Give me a freaking break, SEC. Even Thailand is all over naked short selling. Thailand, since when do third world countries have the sophistication to go after such a complicated issue? Which country is really the third world country in this issue? South Korea? And he added the link on the news itself. And Syntax Queen of the Metaverse wrote this. My question is, when are foreign countries going to start suing the United States government for allowing the fraud that is harming foreign listed companies as well as foreign investors? I'm specifically thinking of the Canadian government. They should be all over this. Also, side question. Can a government, say Canada, place sanctions for Canadian participation on US markets? And yes, a lot of questions. We might have a lot of questions regarding this issue. And this is the pure evidence that authorities, I mean FINRA and SEC, do nothing in order to solve this problem. And I have to say that it is their duty to solve it. And why didn't they do anything regarding this? I don't have any idea. So, let me show you another tweet that is showing how big the problem is. Charles V. Payne wrote this, keep it coming, and he refers to the tweet that was written by Barchart 11 hours ago. And Barchart wrote, breaking short sellers. Hedge fund short sellers sustained losses of approximately $43 billion over the past few days. And he added this screenshot on the title of the article. Hedge fund short sellers suffer $43 billion of losses in market rally. And yes, it is a huge problem, especially if you dig deeper. And we have a lot of evidence, and definitely all of the evidence were found by the community members, by our community members, and we have to unite in order to push this case forward. And only in this case we will win this battle. Let me show you what did Susan Trimbath write regarding this issue. I found an anomaly in the first half of October 2023 FTD data. JP Morgan Global Security Equity pushed close to $1 billion in failed to deliver for October 3rd settlement. Yahoo Finance shows unusual down volume, 29th of September. And here you can see the spreadsheet, and as you can see, this is October the 2nd. By the way, it was my birthday. Next, October the 3rd. And here is the quantity fails to deliver. And the quantity on October the 2nd was just 8. And it was at the very next day, on October the 3rd, it was more than 18 million. And it is mind-boggling number if you take a look on the value. 8 failed to deliver on October the 2nd, worth about $371. But the next day, the amount skyrocketed to $833,468.16. How it is even possible that no one is paying attention to this issue? And especially, I'm asking directly SEC and FINRA, why didn't you investigate this issue? And why didn't you post any comments on this problem? in my opinion, it doesn't make sense. So I have to say that it is basically all information that I want to provide you. If you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed. Born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on the attack. Baby, I'm bad, I just wanna get caught up in this life, I'm crazy, I'm mad. Doing no cap.